Welcome friend to my YouTube channel My Journey. Today we are going to solve accountancy question of class 12 from DK Goyal, chapter 2, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. Before starting, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Today we will solve question number 2, A and B. So let's start. Question is A, B and C were in partnership sharing profits in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 1. The partners agreed to share future profit in the ratio 5 is to 4 is to 3. Calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice due to change in ratio. So here A, B, C are three partners and they were doing partnership business. They share their profit in the ratio 4 is to 3 is to 1. They agreed to share their future profit in 5 is to 4 is to 3. Now we have to calculate their gain and sacrifice ratio. So we know that old ratio of A, B and C is 4 is to 3 is to 1. And new ratio of A, B and C is 5 is to 4 is to 3. It's already given. Now we have to calculate the sacrificing and gaining ratio. So we know the formula. The ratio sacrificing or gaining ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So A's ratio is 4 by 8 minus 5 by 12. This is old ratio and this is new ratio. So take out the LCM of 8 and 12, we get 24. Divide 24 by 8 3 times. I multiply 3 with 4, we get 12. Again divide 24 by 12, we get 2. 2 multiply with 5, we get 10. So minus 10 from 12, we get 2 by 24. Again divide this by 2, we get 1 by 12. So A's sacrificing ratio is 1 by 12. Like this B's ratio 3 by 8 minus 4 by 12. This is old ratio and this is new ratio. Take out the LCM of 8 and 12, we get 24. Divide 24 by 8, we get 3. 3 multiply with 3, we get 9. Divide 24 by 12, we get 2. 2 multiply with 4, we get 8. Now subtract 8 from 9, we get 1 by 24. So B's sacrificing ratio is 1 by 24. Like this C also. C's ratio is 1 by 8 old ratio and the new ratio is 3 by 12. So old ratio minus new ratio. Take out the LCM of 8 and 12, we get 24. Divide 24 by 8 by 3 times and multiply with 1, we get 3. Same, divide 24 by 12, we get 2. Multiply 2 with 3, we get 6. Now subtract 6 from 3, we get minus 3 by 24. So here we are getting negative value. Again we divide this 3 by 24 by 3, we get minus 1 by 8. So we are getting negative value. So negative value, as in earlier class I made you clear that negative value is always gaining ratio. So C is gaining 1 by 8 part. So we can write that A sacrifice 1 by 12th share, B sacrifice 1 by 24th share and C sacrifice 1 by 8th share. So this is your answer. Hope it's clear. So let's see question number 2B. Here Mahesh, Naresh and Om were partners sharing profit in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. With effect from 1st April 2021, they agreed to share profit in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. Calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice due to change in ratio. So in this question there are three partners, Mahesh, Naresh and Om, and they were sharing their profit in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. This is their old ratio. They decided that from 1st April they will share their profit in new ratio, that is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now we have to calculate their sacrificing or gaining ratio. So here's the old ratio of Mahesh, Naresh and Om is 2 is to 3 is to 4. New ratio of Mahesh, Naresh and Om is 1 is to 2 is to 3. We have to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio. So we know that sacrificing or gaining ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So Mahesh ratio is 2 by 9 minus 1 by 6. This is old ratio and this one is new ratio. Now take out the LCM of 9 and 6, we get 18. Divide 18 by 9, we get 2. 2 multiply with 2, we get 4, minus 6. Again divide 18 by 6, we get 3. Multiply 3 with 1, we get 3. Now subtract 3 from 4, we get 1 by 18. So here we are getting positive value. So we know positive value is always sacrificing ratio. So Mahesh is sacrificing 1 by 18 part. Now Naresh ratio is, this one is old ratio 3 by 9 and subtract new ratio 2 by 6. Take out the LCM of 9 and 6, we get 18. Divide 18 by 9, we get 2. 2 multiply with 3, we get 6. Subtract this. Again divide 18 by 6, we get 3. 3 multiply with 2, we get 6. Now subtract 6 from 6, we get 0. That is 0 by 18, it means 0. So here Naresh is getting 0. So it means that Naresh is neither sacrificing nor gaining. Like this Om ratio. Om old ratio is 4 by 9 minus new ratio 3 by 6. Take out the LCM of 9 and 6, we get 18. Now divide 18 by 9, we get 2. 2 multiply with 4, we get 8. Subtract it. Again divide 18 by 6, we get 3. 3 multiply with 3, we get 9. Now take out 9 from 8, we get minus 1 by 18. So here we are getting negative value. So earlier we know that negative value is always gaining ratio. So Om is gaining 1 by 18 part. So we can write that Mahesh sacrificed 1 by 18 share, whereas Om gaining 1 by 18 share. So we can say that Mahesh sacrificed 1 by 18 share, whereas Om gain 1 by 18 share. Here we see that Naresh is neither sacrificing nor it's gaining. Hope it's clear. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Thank you.